Another heartbreaking decision for the Hillsborough families. A last chance at securing further criminal convictions slipped away today when the judge in this latest trial ruled there was no case to be heard.
What a very sad day today is for the justice system of this country. 32 years the families have been fighting to get to the truth and accountability for 96 innocent victims who lost their lives at Hillsborough.
2 former police officers and a solicitor had been on trial for perverting the course of justice. They had denied accusations that they changed police statements to minimise blame on South Yorkshire Police following the disaster at the FA Cup semi-final in 1989, in which 96 Liverpool fans died. Former Shadow Home Secretary Andy Burnham said echoes of Hillsborough run through victims of other tragedies, as he called for changes to the law.
How much have the families given to this fight? It has to be about changing the way things are. If they're going to level up this country, you need to level up ordinary citizens when they walk into a courtroom against the authorities of this country. At the moment, it's a massive mismatch.
Today's decision means that even though a previous inquest had ruled that the 96 were unlawfully killed, only one person has ever been held to account, and that was for a single safety offence after a trial in 2019. And despite the trial collapsing, the Crown Prosecution Service defended the decision to prosecute, saying the CPS was right to bring this case and for a court to hear the evidence of what happened in the aftermath of the Hillsborough disaster. Mary and Brenda both lost their sons in the tragedy.
I don't think we'll ever have closure for what we've been through, and by today as well. We can't appeal on that decision. So, for me, there's no closure. We'll still be going up and putting flowers on the grave.
And it just brings all the horrible memories that you've been trying to forget for God knows how many years. And it brings everything back to the surface, and you just feel so angry.
Both women say the truth of what happened that day is clear, even if justice is harder to achieve. Sadia Chowdhury, Sky News in Liverpool.